Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about how to do a self-introduction in Chinese. Self-introduction is 自我介绍. In this video, I'm not gonna talk deeply about the grammar because it's gonna be too difficult for you guys to understand. So for now, you guys just need to learn this as a whole sentence. So when you want to do self-introduction, you can start by greeting the audience. You can say 你好, which means hello, or 您好, if it is more formal occasion. And if there are a lot of people as the audience, you can say 你们好. 你们好 or 大家好. "大家" means everyone. So 大家好 means hello everyone. After you greet them, you can continue by telling them your name. There are 3 ways to introduce your name. First is 我叫 and then your name. The literal meaning for 叫 is to call someone's name, but in this sentence 我叫 and then your name, 叫 means to be called. So, for example, 我叫张伟. 张伟. 张伟 is one of the most popular name in China. So, 我叫张伟 means I am called as 张伟. The second is by using 是. Do you guys still remember 是? 是 is to be like is, am, are. So 我是张伟 is I am 张伟. It's the same like when you introduce your name in English. The third one is by saying 我的名字是张伟. 我的 means my, 名字 means name. So 我的名字是张伟 means my name is 张伟. After you tell them about your name, you can tell them about where are you from. You can either say 我是 and then your country's name, 人. 人 means person, right? For example, 我是中国人. 中国 means China and 人 is person, so 我是中国人 means I am Chinese. Or you can also say 我来自中国. "来自 means come from. So 我来自中国 means I come from China. After telling your name, you can tell them about your age. So you can say 我今年 岁。今年 means this year, and 岁 means years old. So you can say like 我今年27岁。我今年27岁 which means I am 27 years old this year. After that, you can tell them about your family. 我家 means my family. 有 is to have, and 口 is the classifier or the measure word for people. And 和 means and. So 我家有5口人，爸爸妈妈、哥哥姐姐和我 means there are 5 people in my family. Father, mother, elder brother, elder sister, and me. For the family, it's optional. If you want to say it, you can say it. But if you don't want to, you can just move on to the next one. After telling them about your family, you can tell them about your occupation. We also use 是.医生 means doctor. And 名 is the classifier or measure word for people. So 我是一名医生 means I am a doctor. There is also another occupation. You can say like 我是一名老师 which means a teacher. And if you are a student, you can say 我是一名学生。学生 is a student. If you want to be more specific, like I am a university student, you can say 我是一名大学生。大学 means university, and 生 is the abbreviation of 学生。If you are a senior high school student, you can say 我是高中生。高中 is senior high school. For junior high school, it's 初中生。And if you're elementary school student, it's 小学生。小学生。And if you are a foreign student and you study abroad, you can say 我是一名留学生。留学 means to study abroad. So 留学生 means a student who studies abroad. After telling them about your occupation, you can tell them about your hobby. There are two ways of saying it. The first one is you can say 我喜欢我喜欢 and then doing something. 喜欢 is a verb, right? And 喜欢 is a little bit special because it can be followed by another verb directly, like gerund in English. So you can say 踢足球 means playing football. I like playing football. 我喜欢踢足球. The second one, you can say it like 我的爱好. "我的 means mine, right? And this one is 爱好. Pay attention of this one. Before we learn this character as the third tone, right? But when we say about hobby, it's pronounced as the fourth tone. So it's 爱好. 爱好 means hobby. So 我的爱好是踢足球 means my hobby is playing football. You can also say like 我的爱好是跳舞 which means dancing. My hobby is dancing. So if you want to finish your introduction, you can say 很高兴认识你。很 means very. 高兴 means happy. 认识 is to know. 你 is you. So 很高兴认识你 means I'm very happy to know you. It also means nice to meet you. So this is an example of self-introduction. You can introduce yourself briefly. You just need to greet them and tell them your name. And that's it. Let's read it together. 大家好，我叫张维，很高兴认识你们。大家好，我叫张伟，很高兴认识你们。And for the long version, you can greet them and then tell them about your name, where are you from, your age, your family, and anything you want to say. So let's read it together. 你好，我的名字是张伟，来自中国。我今年27岁，我家有5口人，爸爸妈妈、哥哥、姐姐和我。我是一名医生，我的爱好是踢足球，很高兴认识你。你好。我的名字是张伟，来自中国。我今年27岁，我家有5口人，爸爸妈妈、哥哥姐姐和我。我是一名医生，我的爱好是踢足球，很高兴认识你。That's it for today, guys. And as for the homework, I want you guys to make your own self-introduction in Chinese and then write it on the comment below. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. 加油!